Would you like to learn how to draw a Happy Mother's Day design? Just watch. And I want to wish all the mothers, grandmothers, godmothers, aunties, all the wonderful ladies out there today, I want to wish you a very happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is one of my favorite holidays to work on projects with the kids at school. This drawing that I'm doing today is one I've done with my primary students, but it can be a project that can be done for kids of all ages. It's very simple. It's a drawing in which you write, "I love Mom," which is one of the purest expressions to show your love for Mother on Mother's Day. I start out drawing a heart and the words "I" and "Mom." I encapsulate two clouds on the side of the heart, and over top I crown the heart with a rainbow, and slightly askew to the side I've created a sun. It's a very simple drawing. I add little hearts floating in the air below, and then beneath that I put my signature easy to draw rose, which is done by doing a swirling continuous circle, and then you connect a U to the circles to create a bud, and wavy lines to create the stem. And it makes for a very simple way of creating a Mother's Day design. And then after that, I always add balloons because my wife happens to not care for flowers. She likes balloons. So every holiday, I'm out buying bouquets of balloons and hiding them until the morning or night before that holiday. Now, if I have any kids out there that find the drawing too difficult, I am creating a PDF file that I am going to leave in the description that is below the video. You can download it, and it can be easily colored and personalized and given to Mom for Mother's Day. How about if we find out about the history that led to our celebrating Mother's Day? The establishment of Mother's Day. The modern holiday of Mother's Day was first celebrated in 1908 when Anna Jarvis held a memorial for her mother at St. Andrew's Methodist Church in Grafton, West Virginia. St. Andrew's Methodist Church now holds the International Mother's Day Shrine. Her campaign to make Mother's Day a recognized holiday in the United States began in 1905, the year her mother, Ann Reeves Jarvis, died. Ann Jarvis had been a peace activist who cared for wounded soldiers on both sides of the American Civil War, and created Mother's Day work clubs to address public health issues. Anna Jarvis wanted to honor her mother by continuing the work she had started and to set aside a day to honor all mothers because she believed a mother is a person who has done more for you than anyone in the world. In 1908, the United States Congress rejected a proposal to make Mother's Day an official holiday, joking that they would also have to proclaim a Mother-in-Law Day. However, owing to the efforts of Anna Jarvis, by 1911, all United States states observe the holiday, with some of them officially recognizing Mother's Day as a local holiday. The first being West Virginia, Jarvis's home state, in 1910. In 1914, President Woodrow Wilson signed a proclamation designating Mother's Day, held on the second Sunday in May, as a national holiday to honor all mothers. So how are you going to show your love for mom today? Are you going to clean up the house? Are you going to feed her breakfast in bed, give her flowers, a card, or just try to be on your best behavior and to not bug her at all? I think I'm going to go out and pick up one of my mother's favorite dishes and have her over so we can have that for dinner today. Well, I would like to wish everybody and all the special ladies out there have a fantastic Mother's Day. Take care. Come back again. Bye-bye.